Hi everyone and welcome back to today's garden. Today I want to show you some of my peppers that I grew this season. I'll be starting here with the hot pepper collection. These are my hot pepper. I just kept them here to get ripened a little bit. I can see most of them as ripened. These are my very hot pepper. I have various types. I'll start the Carolina Ripers, those are very hot. The J-Peach Ghost are very hot. I have the Scotch Bonnet. I have my Habanero. I have the Starburst, the Lemon Starburst. I have the Peach Starburst. I have the Brain Scotch Bonnet. I have the Jamaican Scotch Bonnet. I have a lot of them. As you can see, Puma, these are very hot. Our advice, if you're cooking with this, just handle with caution. I normally don't use a lot of it, just one and I'm good. They are very spicy. You can see all these colors in different shades, and this is what I love most about it. So come with me, let's see how I do the harvest. This is harvest time. Most of the time I pick them when they are turning red or about to turn red, because of the length of garden season. This is zone. In another 1 month it's going to turn cold and I need to take all this inside to continue to ripen. So I get all of them, both the very hot and spicy, the medium heat and the low heat. I'm going to pick them and wash them, dry them before I put them in a brown carton for them to continue to ripen. So these are my various type of peppers. Some have actually turned red. The red ones will aid the ripening of the other ones. So I like to put all of them together in a carton so that they ripen all at the same time. So this is what I have for today. I've harvested some in the past. I still have some on the tree that are still growing. So I just keep all of them, different stages of ripening going on. So this, what I do now, I've allowed it to dry. So I'm going to put in the carton. And within a week, you can see what each turns to. It's going to turn red. Make sure you pick at the right time. Don't pick them when they are too green. They might not ripen. And when they start having changing color, that's the best time to pick them. These are my bell and some of the mild heat and no heat peppers that I harvested. I've washed them and this is where I'm kept them. This is just a box. You can use newspaper, you can use paper bag, you can use anything at all just to keep it warm in a warm place. You can put some ripening agent, banana, you can use apple just to aid the ripening process. And you can see some of them have actually turned red, some are still ripening. It doesn't matter, just give it a little more time, they are going to turn red. You know, this is the fun part of gardening for me, seeing all your produce turning to red, all the harvest over the time, and you can save this, saves you money, and you can save this over the year, winter month, and you don't need to buy peppers at all. Look at this. This is lovely, amazing. This is what I want to do, and I hope you're going to do that too. Try to start from small. With time, you expand your garden, and before you know it, you're going to have this lot. This is amazing. This goes out to family members, friends, and my neighbors also benefit from this. It's something I wanted to try. Thank you so much for always being there watching, and stay tuned for more videos. God bless you. Remember to like, share, and comment. Bye.